Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here with VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Guy, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today I'm going to give you a little update on my thoughts on the big change this year with Etsy, or one of the big ones, the biggest one, I could definitely argue, and that was Etsy's push to offer free shipping. So I wanted to kind of give you an update on how it's going for me and give you my thoughts at this point in time in the game. Okay, so here we are in my shop, Rustic Eye, and I have adapted the free shipping guarantee. I do have free shipping set up on some of my items. So you can see, like, for example, on this item, it is just free shipping. On a lot of my other items, it shows the free shipping eligible. I've turned this on since Etsy first rolled it out, and I haven't made too many changes otherwise since then. I have not, or anyway, relating to free shipping, I haven't made changes related to free shipping since it was first rolled out. So I've kept the free shipping guarantee on. Now, one thing to note is I have not made really many changes to my pricing, maybe a little tweak here or there, but essentially, I'm using the free shipping guarantee because of the types of items that I sell, where people often purchase multiples. It made sense for me to do the free shipping eligible for, or free shipping guarantee on a lot of those types of items. And I use it as a way to encourage my buyers to purchase more items to get that free shipping, to meet the $35 threshold and purchase more items. So is it working? Am I getting more sales? Am I getting less sales? Well, my sales are up, and I'm going to show you that in a minute, but is it because of that I'm offering the free shipping guarantee? It's really hard to say because this is still a new thing, and there are so many other factors that can go into your sales going up or down. And there are other big changes that I made this year, in addition to my free, adding the free shipping guarantee. I weighed the factors for my own shop and my own business and decided that that was the right decision for my business. I do have a string of other videos on this, a whole playlist about it, so I'm going to link that for you. And I also offer a checklist in those other videos to kind of help you come to your decision on whether it's the right business decision for your business or not. So make sure that you check those other videos out as well. And I will link to where you can get that free checklist as well to help you go through and kind of make sure you're thinking of all the things before you make your business decision, and whether that's to turn it on or if it's time to turn it off for you, or you're just not sure what to do. Check out that checklist, and hopefully that'll help you get to that point in addition to watching my other videos. Okay, so it's been about 2.5 months since free shipping, since I turned on free shipping in my shop. I did it pretty much right away once it was pushed out, so I could jump in and kind of see what happens and go headfirst in. And since I can only pull up my last 30 days here, I'm showing you that my revenue's up by 86%. My visits and views, all those things, those are all great, but what I care about in the end is my revenue. And so I'm pretty happy with an 86% year-over-year revenue increase for the last 30 days, basically the month of October. And then if I'm looking at the year, revenue year-over-year is up almost 40%. So like I said, I've made other changes. I'm not going to be able to say just yet if having the free shipping guarantee is helping or not helping, but in general, it is not hurting enough to make an impact, and overall my sales are up, so I'm not going to complain one way or the other. And complain is totally the wrong word. Contribute my success one way or the other to using the free shipping guarantee or not. Again, so many factors go into getting sales that you cannot just look at one thing and think that that is your answer or your barrier or the end all be all. There's so many factors that go into it, and you have to make sure that you look at all of them. Again, check out that free checklist, because that'll help you make that decision of whether or not you should offer free shipping in your shop, whether it's to offer it on some of your items or to offer the free shipping guarantee. It's definitely tricky, and it's especially tricky for vintage sellers who sell a little bit of everything and things weigh, all different weights, and you have the big bulky items. Super, super challenging. I totally get it, because I've also shipped those types of items before. Even before I had, the smaller types of items that I offer, I shipped all kinds of big bulky things too. So I totally get that. I also know that if you're based outside of the US, that it is an additional challenge. It's extremely challenging for you as well. So I get that. How is using free shipping or not using free shipping working for your shop? Comment below. I would love to hear how it's going for you. Okay, so check out that free checklist. I will link to it below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell so you get notified as well whenever a new video comes out. And thank you so, so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.